How to fix color on Samsung Smart TV. So from your main home screen, go to Settings and from here choose All Settings. Now from here, go to Picture option. Now from here, if you go to Picture mode, the standard option is the default mode for picture mode on your Samsung Smart TV. You can set it to Dynamic, Echo mode, Movie, or even Filmmaker mode in order to adjust color on your Samsung Smart TV. Now again, if you go back, you can see Expert Settings. If you select it, you'll see various color control options. You can increase or decrease the brightness. You can set contrast settings, sharpness, color, tint, and other contrast enhancer, shadow detail options, and then you can modify your picture settings according to your preferences under Expert Settings. You can also edit color space settings, color booster, color tone, white balance, picture clarity settings according to your choice, or else you could select Reset Picture option. If you do so, you will be able to restore all picture settings to the factory default. So follow these easy steps in order to fix color on Samsung Smart TV. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.